Hi guys, welcome back to Planner Cookie Mama. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be sorting out what is affectionately known as my crap basket. So basically anything that doesn't have a home sort of just gets chucked in here, and as you can see it is now overflowing. I mean, this is quite a big basket, so I'm just going to start sorting all this out. So I use these as dusters, and I seem to have an awful lot of them. I don't know where they come from. This was at least semi-folded. These A5 folders. I mean, that one's a bit naffed, and I know I've got quite a few of them, so I'm just going to chuck that one. I'm trying to be brutal today. This is actually supposed to be on my pin board. My little girl drew it. That's Pikachu, so I'm going to put that over here. These are all my different cables. I keep them all tidy in there. So put that to the side. This is the bag for my tripod. I don't actually even know where my tripod is. I swapped rooms with my daughter almost 2 months ago now, and I haven't seen my tripod since I moved. So it must be in the cupboard in her bedroom somewhere. And obviously I don't use the bag, so I'm gonna fold that up and that can go at the bottom of here. These are instructions for my calculator that I've had for years, and I know how to use it, so that can go in the bin. This was knitted by a girl in my college class. One of her friends, knitted them, and I use it for my phone. But, well, I used to use it for my old phone, but my new phone's actually too big to fit in here now. They're supposed to actually be for tissues, so that they keep nice and safe in your bag, but I'm just going to put that back to the side. Pencil case, another pencil case, another pencil case. I'm a bit of a pencil case addict. So I'm going to put all those inside that big one just now. This hat should be in the cupboard. Oh wow, at least we're starting to see things now. Right, okay, another cloth that I use to dust. Put that there. Okay, what's this in here? This is just a pen cup that I obviously don't use. An Erin Condren card thingy-majigger. This has got spare rolls of masking tape in it, so I need to keep that. These are all my sequins. I need to hide these from my daughter. That's why they're in this basket, because she tends to open them up. These are just little food bags, but I use them for little odds and ends sometimes when I'm either crafting or planning, if I've got little bits that I haven't used. That should be in my daughter's bedroom because it's her bauble. Oh, my single hole punch. I've been looking for that. I'm going to pop that over here into my stationery thing. Screen protector for my phone. Polish. The drafts pieces for my checkers board. These actually don't even work anymore. I mean, they still cut, but you can see this one's bent. I put them in here to remind me that I need to order new ones, but I've since ordered new ones, so these can go in the bucket because they don't work. I have no idea what that is. Can go in the bin. Random piece of paper can go in the bin. Oh, these are little charm thingies and my daughter's first pair of earrings. They should actually be up there in her box. Cling film. I use this when I'm dyeing my hair. I usually stick it over the top of my hair, but I've since bought proper hair covers, so this can go back into the kitchen. And then I have, how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 9 of these, so throwing out that one that was a bit bashed was fine. Okay, so now I've got all of these pens, so let me just get out my pen box here and put in all of these, because these should all be in here anyway. They shouldn't be. This is a fine liner. I actually have a tub of just fine liners and colouring in pens. So this, the stuff that comes out of Kinder Eggs. My daughter they always end up in my room, and I've no idea how they end up in here. Most of these pens are actually ones that I got free at the Freshers Fair. This is a Santa Claus pencil, so that's my daughter's. That needs to go up there beside her stuff. This should be in the toolbox. I have no idea why it's in here. Oh look, more of my daughter's hair ties. Rubbish. Highlighter, I'm just going to leave that in there because, actually, do you know what? I'm going to throw it out because I've got an entire pack of highlighters here. These are all highlighters, so I'm just going to throw that out because, again, I got it free at the Freshers Fair and I'm pretty sure 2 of the sides don't even work. Oh, and my Stitch charm. I need to take that off actually and put that somewhere where I'm going to be able to see it all the time, because my friend Amber from One Crafted Country Girl made this for me because she knows that Stitch is my absolute favourite Disney character and he's just so cute. So I'm going to take him out. More pens, pen. I've got friction pens like nobody's business. I've got an entire load of those. This pen, this is a college pen actually, and it's obviously, oh, a minute, I was going to say it's come apart, but yeah, it says it's lost its spring, so that can go to the bin. A little bow. One of the Happy Planner bookmarks. I've got a box for those somewhere. I'll need to find them. That can go in the bin. I've got 2 pens here. That needs to go in the 2 pens jar because I have a jar for all my pennies. I'm just going to stick this tiny little bowl back in there. Okay, so move that to there. I might actually be able to put things in here tidy now. Like I said, these are things that don't have like another home, so I try to keep this basket tidy normally, but obviously it's sort of got a bit out of control. And these at the bottom. I'm making more of a mess here than anything else. I'm actually going to stand them up. Those in there like that. And there. There we go, that's a bit better. I'm actually going to just roll those up and put them in there because it's easy for me to reach them then. My screen protector back in there. My tripod case back in there. And then put the dusters back on top. Put that back in there like that. And at least it's now tidy. So that is a lot better than we were. What I think I might do actually in my next video is maybe go through all of these pens, because I had a purge a while back of all my pens, and I gave a lot of them into my daughter's nursery because every time I went there they were always hunting for a pen. They could never ever find one, so I gave a load in, but that was well over a year ago now, so I might go through these ones again and just try and keep my absolute favourites and give the rest into the school again. So thank you very much guys for watching this video of me tidying up my crap basket, and until next time, bye.